Good morning, students. Today we'll see our next chapter, chapter second, Rani Lakshmi Bai. She was known by her bravery and daring to fight against Britishers at her time. So let's see the chapter, Rani Lakshmi Bai. The fearless woman who fought against the mighty Britishers was Rani Lakshmi Bai. She was born in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Her father was an important minister at the royal court of Bajirao, and the Bajirao was the king of Maratha. Rani Lakshmi Bai was popularly known as Manu when she was a young girl. She was not only brilliant in studies but also an expert in shooting. Horse riding was her cardinal passion. Manu enjoyed her childhood with two sons of Bajirao, Nana Sahib and Rao Sahib. Her childhood stories are filled with courage and bravery. One day, Manu was playing a character role with the other two small children. She was acting the role of a royal queen, and Nana Sahib played the character of a soldier. He with another soldier went before Queen and said, "Your Highness, this man is a traitor." Traitor means we can say cheater also. He has been found doing espionage for the Britishers. He also persuaded people to fight among themselves. On hearing this, Manu got very angry. She instantly caught the traitor by his and said, "I order to hang this man till death in front of the entire public. The Britishers are declared enemies. They are trying their best to destroy us and capture our territories. All these traitors should be brutally hanged till death." Nana Sahib reminded Manu that it was just a character play. "Manu, please have a control on yourself. The Britishers are our royal rulers. If anybody listened to this, we would be in a big trouble. Do not talk against them openly." These words did not hamper the brave girl. She shouted in a loud voice, "I never considered Britishers as our true rulers. They have come here only to destroy and exploit the wealth of India." Seeing Manu's extreme love for the country, Nana Sahib soon let the curtains down to stop the play. When Manu grew up and became young, she was married to Gangadhar Rao, who was the king of Jhansi, and she came to be known as the Rani of Jhansi. She gave birth to a son who died soon after birth. Then she adopted Damodar Rao as her son. After some time, King Gangadhar Rao also died following a prolonged illness.